Alright, so I'm gonna tear this baby apart, find out. I bet you it's a rubber hose. Because if you look right down in there, you see where it done sprayed. It done sprayed. Let's tear it apart and find out. Alright, so that housing right there is what's leaking. I'm gonna have to pull all that shit loose. So I forgot to record. I got bowled up in the process of diagnosing this thing, but come to find out, it is a thermostat on the inside of this, and this is a whole housing. So if you look right down in there, it's coolant right down in that thing, and that little bubbling, that air mist I seen was coming from the housing. So what I'm gonna do is, it's 5 bolts. I already got 4 of them out right here, and I'm gonna just finish taking this last one out. Now you pretty much gonna have to feel for these bolts because they are hidden, so you're gonna have to feel for them to get all 5 of them out. And let me just twist that last one out. To be honest with you, it probably is just a thermostat, but I'm already down here and I already got it all out. While I'm down here, I'm just gonna go ahead and change, and there's change the whole house, and there's the last bolt. Now this housing should come right off, and the thermostat is right there in it. Voila. Yep, and you can see. Alright, so of course the thermostat was wore out. This is the old part. I went to my local O'Reilly's, and another thing I wanted to point out is these little seals right here were worn out. This one it was completely broken when they pulled out. So I went on and bought an entire housing, because I'm the type of person that once I pull something off one time, I don't want to have to pull it off again. So that'll eliminate that whole issue right there, just buying that whole one thing. So as you see, the identical same part from O'Reilly's, and part number is right there, Charlie Hotel 2162. It's the cooling housing, and it does not come with the thermostat, so you have to buy the thermostat separately. Temperature sensor, just gonna replace, put it right there, and pull all the hoses off and swap them over. Let's get this baby fixed. Alright, I got it all cleaned up as good as she gonna look. Now I'm gonna take that coolant that was right there spilled, I'm gonna try to just soak it up, get it all up out of there, so it won't be anything. Any wetness or anything down in there. Yeah, it's gonna soak my little rag out. Let's clean this up real good. just in case. Try to get it as dry as possible. That way, if oh, right there. That way, when I put the new one on, if it is leaking still, I'll be able to identify it. So, before y'all get too far into this Nissan project, the 2014 Nissan Sentra has 2 thermostats. I'll save you out of trouble. Alright, so 15138 with the seal is the one that goes in the house and on the top. 15112 part number is the one that the lower radiator hose runs into. Now, I'm only telling y'all this because it's 2 different sizes. And if you put this one up here in the top, you will have a leak. It will leak. However, if this one is put down there, it would not seal correctly. It would not close. So make sure you're putting 15138 up top and 15112 down below the alternator. Just a quick gimme right here. I just found out today that this thing has 2 thermostats on it. So here's extra warning. I got it running, and I'm just gonna pour coolant down in it. Slowly let it get a little thirsty, let the engine warm up. Definitely gonna have to take it for a drive. May have to work some air out of the system.